Welcome to the Car Truth. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a 5-star resort on wheels. Built for those who refuse to compromise between freedom and comfort, this masterpiece is redefining the American road trip. Whether you're cruising down Route 66 or parked beside a mountain lake, the 2026 Luxury Motorhome transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience. From the outside, it's sleek, modern, and commanding. Aerodynamic curves, LED lighting, and high-gloss finishes give it the presence of a luxury yacht. Underneath the hood, a powerful hybrid engine delivers smooth, silent power with excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for long-distance travel across the vast American landscape. Step inside, and you'll find a world designed for absolute relaxation. The cabin features a full-sized kitchen with marble countertops, a stainless steel refrigerator, and a high-end induction stove. A built-in espresso machine makes your mornings just a bit more magical. The living area includes plush leather seating, a 75-inch 4K smart TV, and surround sound speakers for theater-style entertainment. The master bedroom is equally impressive, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and even a ceiling skylight for stargazing. The spa-inspired bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors with built-in displays. Smart technology runs the show. Everything is controlled via a central touchscreen or your smartphone, from climate to lighting to security. Solar panels on the roof help power appliances, and the onboard generator ensures you're never without electricity. But perhaps the most amazing thing? It gives you the freedom to take your luxury lifestyle anywhere. The coast, the desert, or deep into the forest. All without sacrificing the comfort of home. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome is not just transportation, it's liberation wrapped in elegance.